china-challenge siya kayong mga young guns at mga re-electionists na drug test. Kasi siya dito sabi niya, magdadalawang test daw siya, drug test and psychological test. Your reaction lang po dito sa challenge ni Vice President Sara Duterte?
Unang-una, patong-patong na po, iba-ibang challenge na po. Kasi mauna muna siguro mag-testify under oath. That's the first challenge. Ang challenge po is he has to testify under oath, answer the questions specifically from the Committee on Good Government.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Please administer the oath of the Honorable Vice President.
Your Honor, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry, so help you God? Please. The oath has been administered, Your Honors.
Paano ba yan, Kong? Nag-oath taking na si VP Sara Duterte. Siguro naman ngayon wala na kayong palusot para magpa-drug test. Pa-drug test na kayo. Hair follicle at hindi kung saan.